Okay, this is my EDC everyday carry. Let's start off with this here. This is what you have, the Acer 1 notebook with the Tough Love leather cover. It's a nice laptop. Has a 5-hour battery. Everything I need. Wi-Fi. Does the job. Here's the Motorola Crazer, the MP3 player. Nice phone. And of course the Motorola Bluetooth. And on the case we have a pen holder. This is the Fisher Space Pen. Writes upside down, all around, underwater. Does it all. And here we have a 2 gig MP3 glasses, sunglasses. Good to have. Okay, for the smoker, the Dunhill roller gas. Best lighter made. And of course a belt case. And hard case cigarette case. Holds 20. Okay, magnetic wallet, money clip, credit cards, driver's license, etc. Light, laser. Gotta have a little light every now and then. This here is the Leatherman Squirt. Let me get it out of here. Leatherman Squirt. Handy little tool. And of course, homemade little belt sheath for it. Handy little tool. Does a lot of things. Small things. And you gotta have a good pocket knife. This here is the Case Pocket Hunter. 2-blade Pocket Hunter. Quality knife. Very good pocket knife. And we have a little belt loop tactical knife. You might have seen these on eBay. Got a very, very sharp hardened blade. I'll figure out how to open the darn thing. There we go. Oh, it's sharp. Sharp, 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 sharp. Not so much of a one-hander, but very slim, very sharp. And locking, of course. And it's a real nice thin knife. Protection. And of course, these are kind of hard to find. A little Zippo pill container for your prescription medications. And that's my EDC, everyday carry. Looks like a lot, but it packs on really nicely.